Well, good evening, traders. Welcome to the Traders Hangout, your go-to night stream to talk about trading, talk about life, and everything in between. Welcome. We're back, boys. We're outside. It warmed up just enough so we can sit outside. We got the fire pit going. I'm excited to be hanging out with y'all tonight. Hopefully, all you guys had a great day today in the markets. If not, we got another chance, another opportunity tomorrow to be in the markets. So, if you didn't make what you want to make today, that's okay. Tomorrow's a new day. And with that being said, let me check these audio levels real quick to make sure we're sounding good. And we're going to keep this thing pushing. Let's see how we're sounding. Oh, where's it at? All right, yeah, we're sounding pretty good. We'll take that. What's up, Smooth? You got a new eval. Okay. When we lose it, 25K? Okay, nice, bro. You're going to crush it, man. You're going to crush it. Just base hits. If you're trying to pass it, on that 25K, how much do you have to make, like 1,500 or something like that? Because honestly, just base hit it. 1250? Oh, even better. Yeah, bro, base hit it. You could trade one contract with that or no? Because one contract base hitting, you could definitely get 1250 pretty quick. Okay, that's not bad. Oh, if you're trading two minis, you'll be able to get that thing funded on the quickness. Is there a minimum for how many days you have to trade the 25K? Or is it the 3 days or whatever pass it? Two? Okay. Yeah, that's solid. That's solid. Brett jumped in. He's not going to be on stream tonight. Hopefully he's doing okay. Yeah, right now, two of my accounts. One account, I'm just trying to put as much money in as possible by Friday. Because I want to request a payout on that one. It's one of my select accounts with Tradeify. And then one of my growth accounts with Tradeify, I need to put in like $1,500 or less to take another payout on it. So I'm trying to do it at least where I get like 2 payouts minimum on Friday. What's up, Dylan? Me and my girl, we were looking at hotels over there at the Riverwalk in San Antonio. We're debating if we stay one night or 2 nights out there. Ooh, that's spicy. Man, I haven't had one of these in a minute. This bad boy got some spice on it. Your boy's just drinking the little immunity ginger shots. But man, spicy. What's up, Ule? Done the like, appreciate you, bro. What's up, Sean T? How's everyone doing today? Did everyone have a solid day today trading in the markets? Let me know if you won, you lost, if you were flat today. Let's see how everyone did today. All right, Smooth, I'll see you in the morning, bro. Dylan, it's not that I don't like spice, but when you're not really ready for the spice, it always surprises you. I don't like surprises. That's my thing. I don't like surprises. Nice, Sean T. Good job. Ginger definitely hit different. Chandler, great job, bro. $1,100 on the eval. Congrats, bro. Johan, my fellow Canadian Martian, welcome back, bro. How was your day in the markets, Johan? Dylan, tomorrow's a new day, bro. You'll be able to make it right back. Don't even worry about it. God. Sean T, what part of Canada are you tuning in from? We actually had we have a couple Canadians in here. I was just in Alberta last month. I was visiting Brett, who's normally in the chat. He jumped in, but he's not going to be in here tonight. He'll be on the morning stream. But I was just in Alberta, in Calgary. Went up to Bath, all that good stuff. It was a great time. Dylan, I'm proud of you as well, bro. Proud of you as well. Johan, stay safe in the markets, brother. Stay safe in the markets with your swing trades. It's crazy, right? The market absolutely came on down today. And on this morning stream, I was talking about, oh, we look like we want to go crack that 24,000s. Break back into the 24,000s. Sure enough, we did. Just after we got off the stream today. Chan, no, I didn't have any issues today, surprisingly, with my trade of 8. So I was able to trade pretty normal. I did have some extra slippage today, but it was manageable. So I was still able to put money in the accounts. I only made today just over $1,000 today. It would have been $2,000, but I had a $1,000 loser today. So on one of my fundeds. So that brought me down to just over $1,000 today. In the green. I'm just ready. Tomorrow's a new day, fresh start, ready to get back in the markets. We got news tomorrow. Actually, let me pull up what time the news is coming out tomorrow so I can let y'all know. Let me log on in here. Nice, bro, nice. Do you pair them with the standard candlesticks, or you're just using Renkos by themselves? Because if you're using Renkos just by themselves, Sean T, I definitely recommend you only using them with standard candlesticks as well. With futures, can you, Johan, yeah. So if you're trading like with Tradeify on the select accounts, you take 50% of the profits for each payout. For tomorrow, we got news at 8:30 and 10. 8:30, we got initial jobless claim, and then JOLTS job openings at 10. So those are the news that's coming out tomorrow. I'm excited because it's been helping the markets move. And I just clicked the wrong button. The screen's coming back. It won't be black. There we go. Okay, Sean, I use the Renkos, secondary somewhat as well. So I'm looking for the bull flags, bear flags, and I use the Renkos to confirm the momentum. My Renkos do move quick because I need it moving that fast so I could time the perfect entries. Johan, it's not a scam because if you consistently take payouts, you can get all your money out. What's your strategy getting past your buffer funded with trading drawdown? Chandler, honestly, you're going to laugh at my strategy, right? Base freaking hits, bro. Base hits. Listen, you got to do base hits across the board in order to get consistent payouts. And that's real. No, Johan, so it's a 90-10 split with Tradeify. So you get 90% of the funds, they get 10% with commissions and fees and all that. But for your payout request, you're able to request up to 50% of your profit in your account. It feels so good to be back outside with the fire pit going. We warmed up just enough so I could be out here. Oh, that's what everyone says. Chan, honestly, bro, I don't know who else said the same thing to you, but for traders that are taking payouts with prop firms consistently, the keyword's consistently, not the one payout every 3 months. Consistently getting payouts every single month, that's all we do. We do base hits. Because the base hits actually pays the bills at the end of the day. For all the new people in here, welcome to the Traders Hangout. We do these hangouts every single night where we talk about trading, talk about life, and everything in between. Welcome. Let me know what part of the world you're tuning in from, because I'd love to see how far and how wide these streams are reaching out to. So if you're new, let me know where you're tuning in from, and welcome to the Traders Hangout. Houston, I'm gonna be in San Antonio in less than 2 weeks, bro. Meeting up with some Legacy Wealth Society members when I come back from Mexico. How many prop firm accounts do I have, including evals? Well, funded accounts, I have 8 funded accounts. And then right now, I probably have like 4 or 5 evals. Yeah, Chan, right now what I'm doing, I'm on a trading tour where I'm traveling to a new country or state every single month of the year. So in January, I went to Canada to visit Legacy Wealth Society members and to check out the views up in the mountains. This month, I'm going to Mexico and San Antonio. Next month, we're in Colombia. The month after that, I think we're heading out to Indonesia. I got to double check with Brendan on that one. Yeah, we're going everywhere. Honestly, I don't know what the max you could let them sit idle, Johan, because I put trades on them here and there throughout the week. Jax, I'm able to travel the way I do because, yes, I'm invested in crypto, but I also day trade futures. So that's how I'm able to. I don't care if crypto gets hammered each and every day. I print money in the markets for trading the NASDAQ, especially for futures. It's very important not to have all your eggs in one basket. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's why I do long-term holds with crypto and travel stuff, but I'm not looking at it. What's up, Amanda? Welcome. Do you ever do funded accounts? What do you mean, like personal funded accounts? Yes. Do I like tuna? Johan, yes. Erwin, what's up? Where's everyone tuning in from? If you're new in here, let me know where you're tuning in from, because we got people in here from every corner of the world, and I want to see what corner you're in. Johan, you hate it because you're from Mars, bro. It is what it is. We got Georgia in the house. Okay. We got Texas. That's crazy, Jax. We got a couple people in here from Texas currently. I'm going to be in San Antonio later this month, actually, visiting Legacy Wealth Society members. So for everyone that's in here, who made money today trading? Who made money today? Who lost money today? And who didn't even trade today? Let me know. Want to know. All right, Sean. Talk to you in the morning, bro. Have a good night. What's up, Crawl? Welcome back, sir. Imagine a Subway tuna sandwich. Yeah, I wouldn't really go for the Subway tuna sandwich, but that's just me. My account was up 4.3%. That's awesome, Jax. Good job. Okay, Crawl, what trick did you pick up, bro? Let me know in the chat. Your paper trading? Okay. Amanda, are you going to be trading with prop firms or are you going to be putting personal funds in? I am ready to trade in the morning. I got to put in I'd probably say less than 1,500 bucks between two accounts to take payouts on two more funded accounts. Okay. Amanda, I definitely recommend checking out like Tradeify, Lucid Trading, or Take Profit Trader. They're really good prop firms to trade with. It's a nice way of maximizing your money without investing heavy in the markets. Just Jay, do not trade your own personal money, fam. Like, do not trade your 2K personally. I recommend you trading with Tradeify or Lucid Trading. And that's just me. If you're brand spanking new, Tradeify, Lucid Trading, those would be the two firms I recommend you trading with. If it's below the VWAP and on the 5-minute, the 14 EMA drops, okay. Nice, Crawl. I've never looked at that, to be real. Let me know how that works for you, bro. I got you, man. I want to see you guys win. Like, the reason why I stream so heavy for these night sessions, we do these night streams every single night of the week. Every single night, we're live with you guys, answering questions, vibing together, talking about life and trading. And then the mornings, we trade the New York session live with you guys as well with the Legacy Wealth Society, because I truly want to see all you guys win. Because I feel like there's so many bad actors out there trying to show people how to trade the wrong way, and people don't get the real results that they want. So anything I can do to make sure you guys win, I'm going to do it. And that's real. He's actually kind of now working on NAS. I do not trade these overnight sessions. For anyone that's wondering, I trade the New York session live with y'all in the mornings. We go live 9:20 a.m. Eastern time every single morning and trade live with y'all. But if I see a play for these overnight sessions, I'll definitely let y'all know. Just remember, this is not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. I got to throw that disclaimer in there so I stay compliant. I got to clean up one of my accounts tomorrow. Slightly annoyed myself today because I lost $1,000 in one account. I was still green today, by the way. I made just over $1,000 green in my funded accounts. But if I didn't have my $1,000 loss in one of my fundeds, I would have been up over 2K a day. So I'm kind of kicking myself for holding longer than I should have again. That's 2 days in a row I held a trade longer than I should have. But we live and learn, and we keep trying to grow. That's it. Is it kind of weird if I'm going to Mexico not this Sunday, the following Sunday? So next Sunday I'm going to Mexico. Is it weird that I'm like going to pack tomorrow for the trip? Is that weird? Chan, yeah. So it's the Tradeify Select account, but the Flex side. Oh, you sure? Okay, you have trading content as well, Amanda? That's awesome. Financial advisor spotted. Johan, get out of here, bro. Johan, I love your humor in the chat because it keeps it it keeps it interesting, bro. Yeah, I appreciate you for it. For everyone that's new in here, let me know where you're tuning in from, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Help your boy out. We just started this, and we want to make sure YouTube knows that this is where it's at. God, I should not be Godly. I need to shake this one a little bit more. Just doing some ginger shots tonight. Just doing some ginger shots. Haven't had them in probably 5 days or so. Okay, bye-bye. See you later, Johan. I'm sure you'll be back in a little bit. Okay, nice. What other skills? Oh, here comes the enforcer. Hey, baby. Okay, nice. Well, keep it up. Are you guys monetized? Because I'm sure a lot of people are trying to learn about inner peace and mechanics. I'll tell you that. Let's see here. Where's it at? Where is it at? There we go. All right, there we go. All right, now I'm officially settled. So for tomorrow, what do you guys think is going to happen in the markets? We going up or are we going down tomorrow? No, come say hi to the folks. You want to come over here and sit next to me a little bit? No, unbelievable. It'd be your own girl, for real. Doesn't even want to sit next to me. That's so sad. I know not right this second, my love. Dropping like the weather. What's up, Rick? How was your day today, fam? Honestly, I want to say we'll continue lower tomorrow, but I had to wait. What's your opinion on WD? I have no clue what. I'm not good with excuse me. I'm not good with acronyms. Spell it out for me, bro. No clue what you're talking about. Amanda, well, glad you started. Just stay consistent with it, and it will work out for you. Trust me. Ever since I started being consistent, like with the streams back in mid-November, it's completely night and day. Zima, you funded, 100% funded, yes sir. That's true. Who knows? Rick, good job. Green is green, bro. Green is green in the markets. DB, I've never really looked into that. So I can't tell you. Maybe someone in the chat could possibly talk on that, but I personally can't. What's up, Fuzz? How's your night going, bro? Well, Jax, if you're one of the best charters in the world, you'll definitely win in the markets. I'll tell you that. Stay at it, stay consistent, and you'll see the results. What's up, Jesus? Welcome back, bro. I love when Jesus is in the chat with us. You know what I'm saying? I feel heavenly. But I use the 21 EMA. So I use the 21 EMA and the VWAP. Can you be profitable trading only price action? Technically, yes. If you're trading like on Renko bars. For me personally, I do the flags and the Renko bars together. It's a hack. It helps me print money every day in the markets. You're gonna do what? What email account? Oh God, my girl wants an eval account, boys. When we're in Mexico, she wants to try trading. Oh God, she just said she got it down packed. Jesus, Jesus. My girl's sitting here wants an eval, saying she got it down packed. Never looked at the charts a day in her life. What's up, Bryce? Welcome back, sir. Been a minute, bro. I think. I forget. Too many names. Too many names. Jax, trade with a prop firm, bro. The best 2 weeks IMO. Fuss, no, I have not gone into a live account with the prop firms, and personally I don't want to. There's no like real benefit of going live with prop firms, because if you're trading live, you might as well just trade your own personal money. But that's just how I feel. Jax, you don't understand how prop firms work? Well, I'll break it down for you right now, sir. They're very, very simple. You buy eval. That's, you'll hear me say evals. That's an evaluation. It's a test. You show them in your test account that you can make money, and you hit their profit target that they have. Some profit targets are 2,500, some are 3,000, some are 9,000. Just depending on what size account you get will determine your profit target you had to hit. Once you hit it, you get transferred into a funded account. Then you trade the funded account, and you can take payouts on that funded account. And it literally only costs like $100 to get started with it. Well, Bryce, hopefully you make some money with that, bro. I really don't mess with meme coins. I only hold like Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, all those, all the standard ones. But I really don't do meme coins. Fuss, for you, I'll let you know how it goes. I just personally, I have not wanted to go live with them. No, Zima, I trade one strategy, the strategy I put together myself, and that's it. I don't trade any other strategies but the one I put together. No, Jax, you can't really lose someone else's money. Because it would be a sim funded that they give you. Prop firms are a nice way to trade without risking your own capital. What's up, Suf? Bro, do you have any questions? Because I've been waiting on you, bro. I've been waiting on you. We'll also be having a call next Monday, well, actually, no, next Tuesday for the monthly call. So next Monday, we'll have that call as well. How prop monies make money with sim account? Oh, Fuss, they make tons of money, right? Prop firms exist because there's a lot of bad traders. So a lot of bad traders pay $100 over and over again because they don't know how to trade. They blow up, they get more accounts, they blow up. That's how prop firms make their money. So when I teach base hits, we're kind of the people that prop firms don't like because we make the money from the prop firms because we're not just blowing accounts. But they make their money off of traders failing. So if you're a good trader, you're able to make money with them. For all the new people in here, welcome to the Traders Hangout, your go-to night stream to talk about trading, talk about life, and everything in between. If you're new here, let me know where you're tuning in from because we got people in here from every corner of the world. And I want to know what corner you're tuning in from. Make sure you don't forget to like this stream and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate y'all. What's my strategy? I trade bull flags, bear flags with momentum. I get confused on the amount. EX 349.7. I'm not sure what number that's coming from, Amanda. Wisconsin, welcome, bro. What's up, Danny boy? No, it's not mandatory to go live. It is not mandatory to go live, Fuss. And right before you go live, sometimes you'll just like accidentally blow that account and you get another account. Yeah, so we definitely got to get on a call because the only way you would have blown anything was you weren't following the strategy to a T. Jax, that's awesome, bro. I'm only 82%. So you're better than me, fam. But like with Tradeify, say I did want to go live with them and I switched over to the live and I didn't like it, I can ask to go back to the other side. 3 things don't lie. What 3 things, bro? Danny, I completely agree with that. My strategy's stupid simple because at the end of the day, the more simple you keep it, the more money you make. So if you're trying to have all these different strategies and indicators, you're going to overcomplicate it and miss the real thing of trading. So less is more when it comes to trading. That even comes down to, I don't know who in here, some of you guys may put a lot of trades on, like 10, 15 trades a day on one account. If you're trading more than like 3 or 4 trades per day, 3's like the max on one account, you're not doing it right. Fuss, he jumped in here earlier, but he wasn't going to be able to be in here tonight, but he'll be on the morning stream. Yeah, you can't, Jax, that's why I always say keep it simple, because if you have too many things going on, you'll mess up. Suf, jump in on the morning call. Yeah, ask your questions in the morning, bro, when we're live, so I can walk you through everything. How long did it take for me to find the perfect strategy? Well, first, Amanda, there's no such thing as a perfect strategy. Every strategy wins and has losses as well. It took me 5 months to build my strategy. So August 24 till December 24, I built my strategy in that time, and I blew like 100 accounts with Apex evals. And after that time, I got everything dialed in for my strategy because I never traded before. So that being said, I took 5 months to really lock in, put together a solid strategy that works, and I use it every day in the markets. Suff, I got you, bro. Want to see you win, fam. This is not, babe, I've been saying that. The enforcer behind me talking that ish. Okay, Fuzz, bro, you're going to print with us in the morning, hopefully. Danny, you're doing it right. Are you trading personal funds or prop firms? Because that's a clean base hit. A $300 trade every day, that adds up very quickly. You're making some money, sir. Congratulations. Happy for you. Normally for me, because I have 8 funded accounts that I try rotating through every session, so normally I'll get to at least 5 of my fundeds every day for the most part, where I'll take 1 to 2 trades per account. And I only take 2 trades only if, like, I'm trying to add a little bit more, but that's it. Pulse, I trade NASDAQ futures. Tax advice with prop, trade through a LLC. That'd be my tax advice. Danny, that's awesome though, bro, but you're doing it right, right? Because at the end of the day, the whole goal, most traders fail at trading because of one simple thing. They're always swinging for the fence. If you swing for the fence, you're going to get struck out a lot. Yes, you will hit some home runs, but most of the time you'll get struck out because you're swinging for the fence. But when you just go get on base each and every day, that's how you'll get consistent payouts from any prop firm. It does not matter what prop firm you're trading with. You will get consistent payouts when you do base hits every day. What's up, Drew? How's your day going today, fam? Danny, what prop firm do you use? Is this a bear flag? Let's take a look. For me, you want to take, if this is a bear flag, right? For me personally, I would need the price to come through this bottom yellow line for me to take a short. Jax, 100%. My Renkos are set 8-4. Top step, okay. Yeah, I've never traded with Top Step. I've only traded with Apex, Lucid Trading, Take Profit Trader, and Tradeify. My favorite one is Tradeify, Lucid, and Take Profit Trader in that order. But I've never traded with Top Step. So for me personally, right, because I have not strict rules, but I try following certain things for the bear flags and bull flags. I never want the price of, as the flag's getting built out, to go more than 50% of the pole itself for the flag. So we did cross over 50% of this pole because we had this candle, that wick right here. So I'd be slightly hesitant for the short. So I would actually move this line down to the bottom wick for me to wait to come down here to take a short. Tooks, yeah, this is the NQ, bro. So if you're trying to go for a short, you need to wait for it to get below that bottom yellow line. And I would want to see potentially a bull flag print in that direction, right here, in this area, to go up to the VWAP. Got you, bro. Yo, I'm so excited. Like, I'm excited because this year we're on a trading tour. We're traveling to a new country and state every single month of the year. So January we're in Canada. This month we're going back to Mexico and San Antonio. I'm ready. Me and Brenda, we're packing for Mexico like tomorrow. We don't leave for like a week. We're just excited to go back. We've been there now 3 times within the past 4 months. And we'll be in Mexico this year alone 4 times. So, excited about that. How do you decide the angle of the trend line drawing? It's not a trend line drawing. This is not a trend line drawing. I put this, show me like what direction for the flag I'm looking for. So I normally do like a 45-degree angle like that because how does a flag look? A flag isn't like perfect. That's how you have the pole and the flag comes down. So that's why I do an upside down L for a bull flag and a L shape for the bear flag. I've never traded with Bookmap. What's up, Cam? Welcome back, bro. How you been doing, bro? What's the Wealth Society about? Well, appreciate you asking, Pose. I have not talked about it. The Legacy Wealth Society is my private trading community for traders, by traders, where we all come together with different perspectives and we all share our ideas, what our thoughts, so that way we can all win in the markets each and every day. You can join the Legacy Wealth Society completely for free. Yes, there are paid options as well, depending upon how fast and how far you want to go in the trading arena of taking profits, everything like that. But definitely, if you're a trader, join completely for free. Vibe with us, grow with us, learn with us. Because right now, our community is doing over 200K a month in profits as a community right now. And we're just getting started. You know, slowly but surely, I'm hoping by the end of this year, the community could be producing at least $1 million a month. And that's in trading profits. That's not from people paying to become part of the community. I'm just saying that's trading profits for the community. Right now, we're just over 200K. No, I don't look at weekly or monthlies. I do not care what direction the market's going in. I look for bull flags, bear flags, and momentum, and I execute my trades on that. And that's all I do each and every day in the markets. I know like on tomorrow night's stream, I'm gonna be talking heavy about this. Kind of giving the regulars a break somewhat because they hear about every single stream almost. But we'll be talking a lot tomorrow night about psychology. Because as a trader, trading is 95% psychology, 5% clicking the button and your strategy. Enjoy your margarita, bro. Explain what to you, Cam? What do you need explained? Talk to your boy. I'm here for you. Brenda, if you don't stop being peanut gallery right now. Oh. My strat? Well, it's easier, Cam, if you're in here on the morning streams because you see my strat in action. But it's simple. It's simple. Let me see what's viewable on the OBS so I can make sure someone's trying to join the community as well. Once I finish this quick tutorial on my strategy, then I will get you added. So everyone in here should know what a flag looks like. I don't care what country you're from, your country has a flag. Picture that flag on a pole. So let me draw it. So this right here would be a bull flag. Let me get some more lines so I can draw a bear flag so you can understand what I do. So this is a bull flag. It's a standard looking flag. So picture a flag on a pole. So you'll have a pole. Let me see if I can find, right now we've been pretty bearish, so can't really say for a bull flag right now, but let's do this. So right here, this looks like it's trying to do a big bear flag. Oh, this is the 2-minute chart. So this is a bear flag right here, right? So I don't have my Renkos pulled up, but what I'm looking for, I want the momentum to come through my bottom yellow line with momentum for me to execute a short. That's a sell for anyone that's new. So for a bear flag, I want to see momentum come through my bottom yellow line of the flag for me to execute a trade. And then vice versa. If I'm looking for a bull flag, I'm looking for something similar. So here's a bull flag right here, a small one. So we had the pole, the slight pullback. So for a bull flag, right? The flag portion, the fabric of the flag will be going in a downward direction. For a bear flag, the fabric, it's an upside down flag. The flag portion for the bear flag will be going in an upward direction. And that's how I execute my trades. So for a bull flag, I'm looking for a long opportunity, a buying opportunity. For a bear flag right here, I'm looking for a selling opportunity to short the market. I do that every single day. And what's really cool about the flags, they always repeat themselves. I use it each and every day. I can make money when the market's going up or down. It does not matter because I use momentum as well. So I'll only take the flag only when there's momentum. So like right now, right? As this flag's building out, right now there's no momentum. So I would not be trying to take this flag yet because there's no momentum. That's why I trade the New York session, because it's more volatile and you have more follow through with the momentum. Let me jump over to the 5-minute time frame. Yeah, here's a cleaner one on the 5-minute. This is showing you a bear flag, but buyers are trying to step in here. So seeing buyers trying to step in, I would not try jumping in until I see the bears really forcing the price down. Because say the price comes above this top yellow line right here, I would no longer be looking for a short. No, Cam, we're not trading against the trend. We're not trading against the trend at all. You can, and you can make tons of money. But for me, I'm just looking for my flag patterns with momentum. That's it. Kareem, no, I do not use a indicator for the momentum. I watch Renko bars. Jax, I use Renko bars to measure the momentum. So I use Renkos to execute my trade so I can know when it's time with the follow through of the momentum to jump in. And you also can see when the momentum's not there so you don't get in. Oh, no Discord. I have a private trading community that is free to join. Kevin, I'm adding you right now. Welcome to the family, bro. There we go. Just added you, bro. Welcome to the community. I don't know what Blinko bar is. Renko, not Blinko. What's up, Twin? Welcome back, bro. Cam, join the community, bro. It's free to join. It's better than a Discord. It's better than a Discord. Twin, I'm doing pretty good. How about yourself? I'm just living the dream. I'm hanging out with y'all. It doesn't get better than that, folks. I think we already did. Let's see. Yeah, we already hit over 1,000 views on tonight's stream. Straight crazy. Camo, Nightbot posted the link. I'll post the link as well. Where's my phone at? Because my YouTube, on certain nights. What's this? One second, one of my managers texted me. So reading his text. All right, let me get this link to post in the chat. No. Absolutely not. We're not. The link I sent you gets them in the market makers. Yeah, we're not putting that one out. Well, man, a lot of people join the market makers. All right, one more second. I'm trying to get to our stream. All right, so, oh no, I don't need that. There we go. There we go. I just posted the link to join the community. It's free to join the community. Cam, no, I'm not hating on Discord. Not hating on Discord, but it can't grow with the community how I'm trying to grow the community. So like with the platform we're on, later this year we're going to have our own custom built app from the platform for the Legacy Wealth Society. So you'll be able to go on your phone to Apple or Google apps or whatever on Androids, and our app will be there for Legacy Wealth Society. So I do everything long term. So I found something that works a little bit better and more community friendly than Discord. So that's why I chose the platform we're on, but it's free to join. Well, I just posted a link, and I'll actually pin it as well. Well, I can't pin it on my phone. Well, not on my phone. I'm talking. Don't listen to me. I'm rambling. All right, there we go. I just pinned the link, so it won't go away now. So this flag is done with the breakout to the top. No. So I was doing a flag for a bear flag, right? And I said if we broke above this top yellow line right here, I wouldn't want to go short. So that's cool with the flags, right? You draw the flag and you have something visual that you can see, like, and you tell yourself, if we break below this bottom line, I'm taking the short. If we break above this top line, I'm not taking the short. Because a bear flag means the market is going to be going down. But I previously said we had the buying wick on this candle right here, this red candle, that hammer candle. We had that buying wick. So seeing that buying wick, I wasn't too thrilled for a short. Because the whole thing about trading, right? Most traders fail at this one simple thing. You guys fight the market. You cannot fight the market. The market's going to do what the market wants to do every day of the week. So I don't know if any of you guys like going to the beach. I love going to the beach. And it's easier for me to go with the wave than against it. Because when you go against it, you get smacked. When you go with it, it's a smooth sailing, you know what I'm saying? It's a nice vibe. It's more relaxed. So a lot of traders, they go against what the market's doing, and then they wonder why they're in drawdown or getting chopped up. So for the bear flag, I saw buyers stepping in, and I said, if we break above the top of the line, I wouldn't take the short. And it's literally that simple. How is that a bear flag if the market's going up? Listen, people. Good question. The flags themselves are indicators. The pattern is an indicator. So a bull flag means the market's going to be going up. A bear flag means the market's going to be going down. That's why you have to pair it with the momentum. So if you see a bear flag, but the momentum's not going in a downward direction below this bottom yellow line, don't go short. Don't look for a short. Because I myself said, well, it could possibly start to go up in an upward direction if we break above the top of the yellow line. And what's been happening? It's been trying to go up slightly. If you can't copy it, it's in the description of tonight's stream and on the channel. Let's jump to a higher time frame real quick. Okay, cool. So sellers are stepping in. Let's see what we get. Because if there's a lot of noise on the lower time frames, I like jumping to the 5 minute to see what's going on the higher time frame. But even for me, right, I still would not be going short until we break below the yellow line. Base hitter, Duane? I only do base hits, Cam. If you're asking me if this is a base hit, right now I want to see more momentum to the downside here. But that's just me. That's just me. Y'all grown adults, y'all trade however you want to trade. I like being safe in the markets, as safe as possible, because I like making money, not losing money. Right now, Cam, honestly, I can't say to buy or sell right now until we break below this yellow line for the short, or we print a bull flag. Because until I get the confirmation with the momentum, I can't tell you. That's my whole thing, right? So if I see a flag, even if I see a flag, if there's no momentum, I can't take the flag. That's my rule. Oh yeah, Cam, I'm a straight base hitter, bro. Anything from 150 to $1,000 a day, that's my base hit. How can you tell if it's a surrender flag? A surrender flag? I don't know what a surrender flag is, bro. Never heard of a surrender flag. Well, that's why, DB, I use Renko bars to confirm the momentum for the New York session. Cam, jump on the morning streams, bro, and you'll see it live in action how I trade, and you'll laugh because you're like, you'll tell yourself it's not that simple. And it actually is that simple. It's a flag when you take their money. What do I mean by momentum? So I use Renko bars to confirm the momentum. Let me pull some Renko bars up. These aren't the ones I normally use, but for learning experience, I'm gonna show y'all. Let me get these on the correct one. Hold on, folks. Someone's trying to join the community as well. I'm trying to see the one that I'm currently on. There we go. Oh, I clicked the wrong one. That's not the right one. Hold on. Where'd it go? This is craziness. No, I don't want 11. Your boy's struggling right now, folks. Your boy's struggling. There we go, finally. All right, so the way I'm looking for the momentum, let me get some lines on the charts here. Let me, oh. So I said this is looking like a big old bear flag, right? And inside big flags, you'll get small little flags. So I use the Renko bars. Let me see if you guys can lock in, Duane. I'm trying to get this where you guys can see everything properly. Why is this not working? This is slightly frustrating. But I use Renko bars to confirm. So I'm looking for the momentum on the Renko bars. Camera, make your screen smaller. That's why I clicked the wrong one. Hold on. There we go. Let me put this one as the Renkos. Let's see if that's a little. Why is that? This is driving me nuts right now, folks. Let me, it's oh, that's why. I've been adjusting, trying to get this better. There we go. We're slowly but surely, folks, slowly but surely. I just want it big enough so you guys can see. So I'll be looking for the momentum. So like right here, we had the small little flag. We came down a little bit, and I want to see another small flag print right here. Yeah, I'm using the Renko bars to confirm the momentum, right? So when we see, let me make these a little bit bigger. I'm just trying to make sure you guys can see it how I want it. All right, cool. So with Renko bars, right? Question for y'all. Do you think it's better when you see red candles going down like that? Do you think this is a time to take a buy? No. Why take a buy when you see the momentum going in a downward direction? That makes 0 sense. And that's the same thing with when you have bulls pushing. You don't want to take a short when you see green candles on the Renko bars printing quick. Trust me, Renkos are the hack people. Doing this signals, I'm taking it. Well, right there, we're breaking through the line. Let's see if we get more momentum on the Renko bar. I want to see more momentum on the Renko bar for the short. I want clean momentum. Right now, we don't have clean momentum yet, so I can't go short yet. No, it's not an indicator. It's Renko with the R. Depending upon what platform you're trading on, they have it on TradingView, Ninja Trader, everything like that. Trade-of-8. And there we go. Yep. Cam, there we go. I want to see continuation, though. I want to see continuation. Wrinkle bar, 100% Jax. I still want more momentum, though. That's why I trade the New York session, because for these overnight sessions, the market moves so much slower. Crowd, make your monies, bro. Cam, yes and no, right? Because we don't have momentum right now. These overnight sessions move so much slower, where the New York session's prime for the momentum. No, 100%. That's why I don't trade the overnights. Have a good one, bro. Dragon fruit margaritas. Nice. What's up, Sydney? Welcome back. Hopefully you're having a solid day today. Let's clear this wick. Let's clear this wick right here at 96625. Let's make sure we got the follow through on that. There we go. So I would have probably taken this trade at this point for the short. Where's your take profit, bro? Where's your take profit? I'm glad your day's going well. 947. Well, we may build another flag here. What's up, Johan? You're back, sir. I told you would come back. I'd be too intimidated to try to do something like that. We got this 21 EMA right here. Let's see if we reject on that 21 EMA. If we don't reject, if you're in a short, I would definitely close. If we try to push it above that 21. I use Ninja Trader, and I also trade with prop firms. I trade with Tradeify, Lucid Trading, and Take Profit Trader. I caught you in silence. Oh, you didn't catch me, Johan. Oh, he ain't catching me slipping. Craw, I did switch over to it to take a look at it, and then I switched back to the 2 minute. We got just under 20 more minutes, and I'll be jumping off at 11 tonight. Your boy needs a shower and eat. I want to get some sleep tonight because I woke up today slightly tired from driving all day yesterday. So jumping off tonight at 11. And we'll be back in the morning, 9:20 a.m. Eastern time. Your favorite number, 11, that's your favorite number, bro? We'll take it. That is true, Johan. It is in your name. Ugh, bro. I feel for you, bro. I feel for you, Chan. Yeah, yesterday I drove total round trip 7 hours. 7 hours yesterday. I went down to South Florida to have lunch with one of the Legacy Wealth Society members, and then went further south after meeting up with him to go get some custom credit cards made. They came out fire. I think someone tried to join the community as well. I forgot. Come on over here. Let me check it out. Lachlan, I got you. I'm adding you right now. Welcome to the family. $20 hours, that's crazy. Yeah, 20 hours is a long time. Chan, where did you go? Where did you drive for 20 hours? Because I know, like, if I drive from here up to like Boston, I'll be able to get there in like 22 hours. So you were moving. Okay. Wow, Duane. Hey, I said if we touch the 21, I wouldn't want to stay in. He did Alaska to Chile. Oh, Cam, don't come in here like that. Don't come in here like that, bro. Because watch what happens, fam. Watch what happens. We rejected off of that 21 EMA, bro. Come on, baby markets. Come on, baby markets. Drop it for Cam. Drop it for Cam. I trade the New York session. I don't trade these overnights. I am not a financial. I am not no financial advisor, Johan. Don't put that juju on me. Cam, sorry you're here, bro. Hopefully your family's doing well. Yeah, you owe him a house. Nah. I said y'all grown adults. Y'all do what y'all want to do. Yes, Cam. Don't Duane me, sir. Don't Duane me. That is not what I was trying to do. There we go. Oh yeah, we're coming on down. Sorry for your I thought someone was saying Cam. That Duane was zesty. Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy, Cam. Calm it down, boy. Calm it down. My girl will fight you. She's an enforcer. Come on, baby market. Show Cam what we doing. Show Cam what we doing. Johan, of course I want to know something interesting, bro. Tell me. Yeah, Cam, I jump on 10 minutes before market opens to go live. I don't look at pre-market or anything like that. And we do 10 minutes before so I can tell y'all what I'm feeling, what I'm thinking, so at market open, people can execute. Yeah, but we need more follow through. That's the whole thing. We need more follow through on the Renko bars to get me excited, Amanda. Oh, congratulations, Johan. So now you're smelling fresh and clean, sir. Happy for my Martian. I'm excited for you, bro. And I just think of that song, So Fresh and So Clean, you know what I'm saying? Since you did laundry. 9.59. Well, you would already hit your take profit. I guess you didn't lose your house after all. That's positive news. Bro, where are you sitting? That setting looks chill. Thank you. I'm outside at my house, bro. I'm on my pool deck. Bro did win a house tonight. What's up, BP? How you feeling? Did you reset today, bro? Duane taking things too serious. Oh, I'm not taking things too serious, but you made your money, so we're good. Tez, I loved Calgary, bro. I love when we went up to Bath or Johan's going to roast me. Those mountains were amazing. Tomorrow's a new day, sir. Tomorrow's a new day, BP. Yes, Kim. Awesome. Tell you about my trading journey. Well, I've officially been trading every single day, Monday through Friday, since August 2024. It took me 5 months from August 24 through December to build my strategy. And ever since then, I've been printing money. I lost $10,000 of my own personal money back in 22. When I was interested about learning how to trade, I loaded up 10 grand in a Ninja Trader brokerage account. I lost all 10 grand within like 14 days. Tez, I own multiple businesses offline as well, so I still own them to this day. Man, that ain't making no sense. No, didn't lose a kidney. What type of business? I own a security agency. That's my largest company. I own a security agency offline. Then I also own a trailer rental business and a cleaning business. But I've owned my security firm now for almost a decade now. Amanda, you're learning now. That's the best part, right? As long as you start to learn and you perfect the skill of it, you will forever be able to provide for yourself and your family. What's your advice to get me to get balling like you? Honestly, Tez, base hits every single day. Don't rush the process and learn a simple strategy. Keep it simple. Because right now, Cam would be buying 2 houses right now if he was still in this trade. Cam, do you make majority of your profit from trading or business? Honestly, I don't look at my business income. So just from my trading last year, a full year of trading 25 for me with my strategy, I did just under 6 figures. This year I'm shooting for 500K just from trading. Go ahead, Cam. Tell me your strategy, bro. I'm all ears. The chat's all ears as well. We just printed another bear flag. That's the thing I love about flags. They always repeat themselves. So I'll be looking for more momentum to the downside for a potential short again. Go ahead, Canary. Get that money, bro. My strategy is super simple because since I own businesses, I need it simple. I do not like complicated. Cam, trading's personal, so whatever makes it where you're making money in the markets, I'm all for it. If you don't have a strategy that's currently producing good money for you each and every day, find a strategy that can produce simple, easy money for you every day in the markets. Let's see if the bears start taking us down a whole lot more now. You have simple, easy, reliable. That's what everyone's looking for. Tez, you could literally just watch these streams for the overnights and the morning sessions when I trade live with you guys. You could join the Legacy Wealth Society completely for free. Or if you do one of the paid options, like even the base paid tier in the community, you get my full strategy. And I break it down. I give you the Renko bars that I use, everything like that. Tez, we stream 9:20 a.m. Eastern time for the New York session. Okay, Cam, nice. I do wait the 15 minutes as well for the New York session. Let the volatility die down a little bit before I get in. So right now we got these buying wicks on these candles right here. So I would be careful if someone's trying to short right now because we got these buying wicks. I never like shorting into buying wicks. That's called bad for business. Yes, Cam. Cam, it happens, bro. It happens sometimes. What can I say? Almost another house. Well, the whole thing is you gotta wait for the full follow through of the momentum. Cam, don't be over there clicking buttons. Don't click buttons just to click buttons. Just saying. Any last minute questions before I jump off stream here? Any last minute questions before I jump off stream? I don't know, Johan. Ask him. Well, folks, it's been a pleasure. I'm going to be jumping off so I can go shower, eat, and get in bed because we got to be up early tomorrow for the New York trading session, which I'm excited to trade with y'all. We stream every New York session live, 9:20 a.m. Eastern time. We go live. So make sure you lock in for that in the morning. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And camo, yes, I only use flags as my strategy. Bull flags, bear flags, and momentum. Have a good night, everyone. I will see you guys in the morning. Stay safe in the markets, Cam, and everyone else that's trading. Don't lose any houses or cars tonight. Be blessed, everyone.